Hello students, so welcome again. Here I am with another problem on projection of solid. This time the solid will be a pentagonal pyramid. If you read the question will be like this. There will be a pentagonal pyramid. Its base will be 25 mm and axis 50 mm long. It is resting on one of its triangular faces on the VP. If you remember, last time we discussed about this concept of triangular face on the HP or on the VP. So this time I am selected a problem which will be saying that the one of the triangular face will be on the VP, and further they are saying that one of the edge of the base contained by that face makes an angle of 30 degree with the HP. So if you want to start this problem, as I earlier discussed with you, that whenever they will say that triangular face on VP, so the better option will be we will start with the base on the VP concept. So in the beginning I am going to hold it like this. I will hold this pyramid like this so that the base will be on the VP and one of the base side perpendicular to the HP. So that will be the side concept. As you normally know that in pentagon most of the time we will draw in the same pattern. One side will be, we will get the side on one side and other side we will get the corner. So we will start like this. Start with the front view. Front view will be a pentagon with one side perpendicular to XY. Then draw the top view. That will be a triangle. In the second stage, I am going to make it like this. So now the one of the triangular face will be on the VP. So copy the top view, then draw the front view. In the third stage, we are going to make it like this. So I will make this edge inclined to VP by some angle 30 degree. If I rotate it like this, then in the top view you can see the base. Okay, so I am going to start this problem. So as discussed, we will start with the front view. In the front view you can see the pentagon. Again the naming will be from the clockwise direction, and we have drawn the top view. So initial stage will be I have kept the base on the VP with one side perpendicular to the VP. Now in the second stage I am going to make this face on the VP. If you look at the top view, this is the face, that is AOE. So in the second stage I am going to make it lie on the XY line. So in the second stage what I have done, I have kept this OAE, that is the triangular face on the VP, and copied this figure, and then I have drawn the front view. As you know that whenever the apex will be nearer to the reference line, the base will be visible. So in this front view the base will be visible. So we started with base, then drawn the outer of that, then the lines passing through the visible bases are dotted lines, and this line will be a solid line. After that, now I have to make this side, that is A dash E dash, incline 30 degree to the HP. Okay, so in the third stage now we are copying this figure. As in the problem they have told us that we have to make this side that is on the triangular face, the side of the base containing the triangular face. So if you look at this figure, second figure, this OAE will be the triangular face which is on the VP. So I have to make this A dash E dash inclined to HP by some angle 30 degree. For copying the figure, what we have done, we have drawn a line at 30 degree inclined to the XY line, and after that from here I have picked this length A dash and E dash. After that, if you look at this figure, from the midpoint of A dash E dash, if you move this one, then you can get the point this, that is C dash, and this is point O dash, that is O dash actually, and this point will be C dash. So you can copy these 2 points. If you want to copy this point D, then from this E dash, if you move towards the lower side, opposite side, and go perpendicular, then you can get D dash. Same way you can get the B dash point. Already in the projection of planes you have done this method. This is a simple pentagon, you have to copy the pentagon. Then we have another point, that is the apex. So for pyramid we have just got 6 points. Copy these points. Now look from the top and draw the top view. As you know that when the front view will be inclined to HP by some angle, the distance of the top view is not going to change. So draw the locus line and draw the perpendicular projector and get the figure, that is the final figure. Okay students, so we already copied the figure. Now I have to draw the top view. So from top view I have drawn the locus. As you know that O, A and E, 3 points will be on the XY line. So one projector, then second locus, then third locus. Now from the front view we will draw the projectors. The concept will be you have to draw the projector where it is needed. As C will be on the last line, so C will be, we will get C on this line. So I have marked all the points A, B, C, D, E and O. Now if you look at this object, when this pyramid will be tilted like this, started like this, then we have turned it like this, then turned like this. Now if I am looking from the top, as the apex will be away from the reference line, so the top view will be, the base will be not visible in the top view. So whenever the base is not visible, what we will do, we will start with the outer boundary, and outer boundary always starts with the apex. So from the apex start drawing the figure O to A to B, B to C, C to D and back from D to O. In that almost all the lines of the base will be joined. One base line will be still remaining, that will be D and E. So DE must be a dotted line, so draw a dotted line. Now as you know that if any line crossing the dotted line, that must be solid line. So this OB and OC will be a solid line. Now look at this figure. This is the complete solution of the problem. I hope you will understand and you can draw in your sketchbook or drawing sheet, whatever you like. Thank you very much.